Hello, you are welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you how you can start selling your products on WhatsApp for free. Let's get started. First, you will need to install WhatsApp Business, and I'm sure most of you already have WhatsApp Business, but in case you have not installed WhatsApp Business, then it is either you look for somebody that have it and send it to you through Xender, or you go to Play Store. This is my Play Store. I'm going to search for WhatsApp Business because that is what is ideal for any business that want to start selling on WhatsApp. So I will search for WhatsApp Business. Okay, so you are going to see it is different from the normal WhatsApp. It is the normal WhatsApp is written as a WhatsApp Messenger. This is WhatsApp Messenger. I'm not talking about this one. This is the usual one. But for business, make sure it is WhatsApp Business. You are going to see install here. It is because I have already installed it. That's why you are seeing open now. So you click install. Then when it is installed, you can open it and enter your details. In your profile here, when you go to your profile here, you are going to see, let's go there, you will see business tools. And if you are opening your WhatsApp for the first time, you are going to see it. So here there are so many things you can do here. You can see this catalog. You can add the pictures of your products here, so that your contact members, your contact will click on it and see your product. They'll see the images of your products and they might be very interested in it. If you click on your business info, you click on business info here, more tools will be open. Okay, so you can see here you can add your picture or the logo of your business, whatever you want to add there. Then here you can add the name of your company. You can add description here, and you can add your address here. You can add your email here, and you can add your website here. You can add more websites, up to 2 websites. Then you can add your product images here, because some people will be checking your profile, and that is where they are going to be seeing your products and get interested and contact you. And you know that people that have your WhatsApp are people that trust you, so definitely they are not going to have problem buying from you because they have already known you. Then secondly is your WhatsApp status. A WhatsApp status is very effective in selling online. You can click on it, and here you are going to, if you want to add more, you can click on it here and type what you want to type. You can type whatever you want to type here, and when you are done you post it. Okay, so if it is an image that you want to send, let's say the image of your product you want to send to your WhatsApp status, you are going to go to file first. You are going to go to file manager. If I go to file manager, see my file manager here, and open, or you simply hold on the picture you want to post to your WhatsApp status and click share. You see share here, click share. Then it is going to ask you where you want to share it to. You are going to click on WhatsApp business. That is the one you will select. So you select your WhatsApp business, and you are going to click on your own status here, and you are going to hit it and click on this button. It will be sent to your WhatsApp status, and all your contacts, the people that you have saved their number in your phone, the Android phone you are using, all the people you have saved their number and the people that have saved your own number will see your status. And you can be posting it regularly. You can post as many as possible. There is no algorithm that is going to ban you here. So, and it is optional. Somebody can decide to look at your WhatsApp status, and another person can decide not to look at it. Whoever that is interested will look at it. So it is free. You keep posting and posting, and make sure you are posting your best, the best quality product you have. So as they are seeing it, definitely if they like it, they like your product, they will shut you up and buy it. As simple as that. So make sure you publish what is qualitative, so that anytime they will be looking forward to see what is your new update. Quickly, let's look at how to post your product through broadcast. You are going to go to this icon, these three dots you are seeing here. And you are going to select new broadcast. You are going to add people that you know are interested in your product. So you are going to select them and add them. People that you are sure will be interested in the message that you are going to send to them. As you are going to send the message to them, they are going to receive the message coming directly from you. Those people in that broadcast are not going to know themselves, so their privacy is fully secured, because some people don't like their phone number to be exposed. Because if you form a group and you add them to group, some people will leave. Some people don't want to be added to WhatsApp group. So in that case, you are going to add those kind of people to WhatsApp broadcast, so that they are going to see the message coming directly from you. They are not going to be seen by others. So then The advantage of broadcast over group is that the group members don't know themselves. Then let's look at the disadvantage of group. Once in a while, those people in your group, most of the time their WhatsApp number are always hacked. So that if their account is hacked, those hackers started sending rubbish to the group, and it is going to discourage a lot of people to leave the group. That's one of the major drawbacks of WhatsApp group. Another advantage of WhatsApp group is that people will be seeing what other group members are posting, and that is going to encourage them to go ahead with your product. So it has advantage and also have disadvantage. So you know where to use it and where not to use it. And if you are in my training, I have a video on how to secure your account from being hacked. So I don't think if you are here with me, you should allow your account to be hacked. So you are going to use two-factor authentication to make sure your account is not hacked, because I have already secured my own, and since I secured my account with a two-factor authentication, since that time my account has never been hacked. So that is what we are going to do. I'm going to leave the video on how to secure account from being hacked in the description of this video, so make sure you watch that video so that you secure your WhatsApp account from being hacked. It's very, very embarrassing. By the time they hack your account, they'll start sending message to your relatives that you were involved in an accident and they needed money to treat them, all those nonsense. So don't allow your account to be exposed to hackers. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.